I'm going to be talking about how you can use Yelp to better market your event planning business. And Yelp is a search engine that allows customers to search your business based on your ratings and reviews. So I want to look at today if you're using Yelp correctly and if you can increase the amount of sales you get through the Yelp site. Now, to make the most of Yelp, I'm going to outline 5 steps you need to be taking today to get your Yelp page to the best possible place it can be to increase your event planning client bookings. And step number 1, if you haven't already done this, is I want you to claim your Yelp business page. So chances are, if you haven't signed up on Yelp, you might already have a business page created because someone might have listed your business, listed a review, or searched something for you. So just go to Yelp and do claim my business and search for your business listing. If it's not there, then I want you to go ahead and create your Yelp business page. And of course, while you're doing that, I want you to ensure that if you are claiming your business, that the information you're posting or the information that's already been posted is correct and up to date. So use this as an opportunity to also correct any information that was previously posted and update everything that your customers might be searching. Step number 2 is that Yelp is great because of all the reviews and ratings. But if you're not engaging with customers, you could be missing out. So if you do have any reviews or ratings on Yelp, I do want you to go on, log on, respond to those customers. Respond and engage with them, whether it was positive or negative. I want you to respond if it's positive and thank them, or if it's negative, use this as an opportunity to see if you can resolve an issue and just get their feedback about how to improve your services. Step number 3 is to post photos to your business page. As an event planner, you know the importance of photos in advertising your business and ensuring that customers can see exactly what you can do, because a picture is worth 1,000 words, and if customers can't envision what you can do for their event, you could be losing them before they have an opportunity to interact with you. So I want you to go ahead and add as many photos as you can to your business page as a way to advertise your services and your business even more. Step number 4 is I want you to take advantage of Yelp Deals. Yelp has a unique feature called Yelp Deals where you can offer discounts or gift certificates to your most loyal customers. And while I don't encourage you to always discount your services, what you can do is you can still offer a gift certificate or just a bonus item to a potential client as a way to get them into your business and to engage with you. This is a great way to claim new customers, get potential customers over to you, or just to get a conversation started. Tip number 5 is that I want you to track your analytics. The great thing about Yelp that not a lot of business owners seems to know is that you can track your analytics behind the scenes. You can see how customers are engaging with your page. You can see where customers are coming from to your website, what they're looking at when they come to your page. Maybe they're just there to check out the reviews, but you can see what's the source that's sending them to you. Use these analytics to your advantage. So if you find, for example, that customers are finding you through Yelp because they search on Google, or maybe they were searching on Wedding Wire, then you know that these are 2 spots that you need to focus your marketing and ensure that your information on them are up to date and really engaged to customers and really geared to pulling them in and ensuring a booking. As a bonus, I want you to download my list of 147 websites where you can market your event planning business. And this is an extensive list of places where you can market your event and wedding planning services. Some of them for free, some of them are paid, but go through the list, look at the sites, and decide which one is best for you.